When you sell under your own brand, one mistake in packaging can cost you everything. So the real question is, can your manufacturer protect your brand every time? Many private label buyers face the same issues. Colors don't match previous orders. Logos shift. Print quality changes from batch to batch. And in private label business, that's not a small issue. That's brand damage. At Huong Packaging, we don't just produce PP woven bags. We manufacture private label packaging, built to protect your brand identity. Confidential, controlled, consistent. We follow strict color control systems, including Pantone matching, ink calibration, and printing cylinder management. Each design is set up and logged before production to ensure your branding is reproduced exactly. Not similar, not approximate, exact. Private label is not about one perfect batch. It's about maintaining the same design across multiple production runs. Same color tone, same logo position, same print clarity across every shipment you receive. Your artwork is protected under strict internal control. We do not reuse, replicate, or share your designs. And when required, we operate under NDA to ensure full brand confidentiality. From bag structure, size, coating, and printing, every specification is customized to match your product and your market positioning, because your packaging is part of your brand, not just a container. Each batch is inspected for color deviation, print alignment, and finishing accuracy, maintaining strict tolerances across production runs, so your brand looks consistent every time it reaches your customer. We support private label buyers across the United States, Canada, and global markets, with repeat production runs and long-term brand consistency, because private label success depends on reliable manufacturing. If you are building your own brand, you don't need a manufacturer who just prints bags. You need a partner who protects your brand every time you reorder. Send us your artwork, and let's produce packaging that represents your brand exactly as it should.